Jim. Thanks for being a Pinnacle customer. I had a couple of quick questions for you, if that's all right.
Sure, Richard, go ahead.
So first off, why'd you choose Pinnacle?
Well, because I had known Justin from a previous job that we worked together, and I wanted to give him an opportunity to do my roof.
Nice. Is there anything other than that why you chose Pinnacle? Is there anything that we offer that someone else might not have?
Well, it seemed you're very thorough, and one of the things I liked is the fact that you kept me informed by telephone every time we were going to have something done, like have the material delivered and then have the big dump brought in, and the guys were right on time and started work. Except for a little rain stop, they completed as much as they could in the day, which surprised me. They got so much done, and the fact that they're up on the roof right now completing the job really amazed me that you could get it done in 2 days.
Is there anything about the install that hasn't been going very well?
No, not a thing. Everything is perfect. I'm very happy.
All right, good to go. Is there anything you'd like to say to any other homeowners about choosing Pinnacle?
I would say that anybody that needs a roof at this time, a perfect choice would be Pinnacle Roofing, because they took great care of me, and I was really happy with the people and the job they did.
All right, thank you, Tim. Appreciate it.
All right, Richard.